everybody, my name is Celeste Greene. I'm a certified laughter yoga teacher and laughter ambassador, and I'm delighted to laugh with you today. So we are going to engage in a 5-minute laughter workout, all right? Now don't worry about a thing. There's no jokes, there's no comedy. We're just going to be playful together and laugh and have an awesome time, okay? So it's called laughter yoga. So I want to invite you to just enjoy yourself like a kid on a playground and let yourself go for the next 4 minutes, all right? Let's roll. Our first laughter exercise is called laugh for no reason, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're just gonna laugh for no reason at all, looking at each other. You don't know why you're laughing. I don't know why I'm laughing, but we're gonna do it anyway. All right, ready, go. And say this with me. Very good, very good. Yay! Let's do that again. Very good, yay! Very nice. Breathe in, stretch up, and release. Breathe in, stretch up, and release. This next time we're just gonna laugh on the way down. Breathe in, stretch up. Just laughing. Very nice. Have you ever tried to laugh with your mouth closed? It's hard to do. We're gonna do it now. Laughter with our mouth closed. Ready? Go. And say this with me. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. 2 more. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Last one. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. And yay. Very nice. This is called zipper laughter. We're just gonna laugh as we zip our lips open and zip them closed. And when we zip them closed, we frown. All right, ready? Go. And very good, yay! Let's do that again. Very good, yay! Very nice, everybody. This is happy as a clam laughter. We're gonna be happy clam. So what you do is you get your clam shell ready, and sometimes you open your shell and laugh, and other times you close your shell and frown. All right, ready, go. And very good, yay! Let's do that again. Very good, yay! Excellent. This next exercise, we're gonna snack a little bit, but in a laughter way. So we're gonna open the fridge, nothing in the fridge. We're just gonna look at each other and laugh. And then we're gonna enjoy some laughter snacks, some wonderful little, all types of snacks in the fridge. All right, ready, go. Oh, here, try this. And very good, yay. Let's do that again. Very good, very good, yay! Very nice. We're gonna wash that down with a milkshake and think of this as kind of like cheers laughter as we say goodbye. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix a milkshake, chocolate, vanilla, first cup into the second cup, second cup into the first, drink it and laugh. Why stop at one? Ready? Drink it and laugh. And very good, yay! Let's do that again. Very good, yay!